So if you saw my video from a few days ago, you'll know that we've decided as a family that we're going to give up Jennie's plot. So I thought I'd just give a quick tour around, show you what we're going to be harvesting before the end of the year when we give it up. And it's going to be a pretty nice harvest. So there we go, there's the plot. There's a lot planted. Obviously we're not going to be planting anything that goes over winter now, so garlic and things like that, that'll all be on the other plots. Let's take a look around, see what we've got. So we'll definitely be harvesting this ocker. A lot of these strawberries will get transplanted onto the other plots. We've got a fabulous harvest of beetroot down here. All that will go into store. Cabbages, and fortunately I planted early purple in here, so we should get a really good early harvest of purple sprouting broccoli, as well as all of these cabbages and cauliflowers that are down there. All these leeks, these are coming on really well, and carrots, so we'll be getting all of those. Sprouts, we've got a really good harvest of sprouts coming here, so we should be harvesting sprouts like crazy. Beautiful red cabbages, all of those will get harvested. Colettes, absolutely fantastic. I think, yeah, we've got a lot of colettes coming, so I think we're going to get a pretty good harvest of colettes by the end of the year. More red cabbages. We've got some nice winter kale that should keep us going. Of course, all of the winter squash will be coming out, and it looks like a pretty fine harvest of those. Obviously we'll eat those all the way through winter and into spring. Goes without saying, all the sweet corn will be coming out. Actually, quite a bit of that will be coming out today. All these apples and pears and plums, we'll be harvesting those. We're going to transplant some of this rhubarb onto another plot, and I interplanted a lot of leeks into this bed as well. This is the big brassica bed, and they are coming on beautifully now. So yeah, loads and loads of leeks coming. Really happy with those. Loads of clumps of them everywhere. Some more of these beautiful red cabbages. Yeah, just all these colettes. And down here, this is the late purple sprouting broccoli, so we won't be harvesting any of that. But what I've done is I've dug up quite a few of the plants here and transplanted them onto my plot. Also, we've got lots of baby carrots. Yeah, we'll be harvesting those too. Obviously, all the beans will be gone. We're taking that IBC container, putting it on Jennie's plot, but we'll leave the one that's down there for the new plot holders. So whoever gets this plot is going to be inheriting a really, really nice plot and a really nice shed, although we're taking all these water butts with us. So yeah, I'll be sad to see it go, but then again, it's certainly going to give us a lot of food this year. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.